The A1 method is used when the windows are installed after the weather-resistive barrier. The A1 method allows for the integration of the weather-resistive barrier with the flashing material. The result is a well-integrated drainage plane with the flashing tied into the weather-resistive barrier. Begin by cutting two 45-degree angles into the weather-resistive barrier at the window head. Fold this flap up and tape it out of the way. In this installation, we're using 9-inch moist stop easy seal. Fortiflash would work just as well. Cut a piece of easy seal for the sill. You should cut it the width of the rough opening plus twice the width of the flashing. The sill flashing always goes on first, before the window. Now we install the window according to the window manufacturer's instructions. The next step is to apply moist stop sealant. A nominal 3/8 inch bead of moist stop sealant is installed continuously behind the window flange, covering the pre-punched holes. Look for sealant squeeze out as the window is put in place. Install the first fastener, then check for plumb, level, and square. Then fasten at the opposite corner and check for plumb, level, and square again. Then continue the installation according to the window manufacturer's instructions. The jamb flashing is next, with the flashing beginning 1/2 inch above the bottom of the sill flashing. These pieces should measure the height of the rough opening plus twice the width of the flashing minus 1 inch. To install, peel away the release paper and press the flashing firmly in place with the adhesive covering the window flange. Next, we install the head flashing. The head flashing should be cut to the width of the rough opening plus 2 times the flashing width plus 2 inches. It's important to install the pieces in this order to create the shingle effect, which will channel water down and out of the wall. Once the head flashing is in place, pull the weather-resistive barrier down over the head flashing. Tape the 45-degree cuts into weather-resistive barrier with sheathing tape. Use tape approved by the weather-resistive barrier manufacturer. Notice this creates an excellent drainage plane and integrates the window flashing with the weather-resistive barrier. And that's the completed A1 installation.